Yeah, the Bluetongue disease usually noticed during a rainy season. It is supposed to be transmitted through a mosquito because it is a virus. So the symptoms are blisters in the mouth region and also in the tongue. Tongue color will be blue. The animal will not feed. Will become very dull, high fever. If you just pull out the hairs, it will fall very easily. This is the symptoms of Bluetongue. Generally, we come across Bluetongue disease during the month of rainy season. For this, a simple treatment. So once the disease symptoms you notice for Bluetongue disease, you first administer this banana tinged with this soaked with gingerly oil. So you take gingerly oil and you take banana and dip it in the gingerly oil and you have to simply administer. So after administering, you give this aloe vera. You just make a small slices, pieces, then you administer a single piece. You take aloe vera and remove the thorn part by just gently remove it by small using a knife. So you just a single piece, you take it and you simply administer orally. So you administer it monthly once. Generally, if you administer monthly once, it will take care of this Bluetongue disease, animal worms, intestinal parasites. The animal weight also will be more. But once the disease is noticed, you have to administer it for 4 days or even 7 days, depending upon till the cure point. So that is very simple. See, if a farmer is having 20 sheep, to administer 20 sheep, you take half liter of gingerly oil and 1 dozen of this banana, and you can just dip it and you give it. If it's a small banana, means proven, you take for each animal 1 banana. So now we are administering this banana soaked in gingerly oil. So after the disease is affected, the animals will not feed. So we have to give some energy. So in order to give energy, we are simply administering banana tinged in the gingerly oil. So one time administration will be sufficient. Then it will be followed. So after that, you administer this aloe vera. So you make a small slices of aloe vera and administer it orally to the sheep. So the aloe vera, it should be given continuously till the full cure of the disease. It may take 3 days, 4 days or even 7 days also. But once you administer once in a month as a preventive treatment, it will take care of Bluetongue disease, intestinal parasites. So that will be very good practice. So every monthly once you give 1 slice of aloe. By administering aloe vera regularly at a monthly interval, you take care of internal parasites, Bluetongue disease and general weakness of animals. The animal weight gain, it will be very fast. So see, in our country there are many livestock keepers, but when they come across the disease, they are in difficulties. So they are spending a lot of money and going to cities and purchasing. So if they learn simple practices like giving aloe vera, it takes care of that animal's health, and also it will be a low cost, and also the animal product also will be not contaminated. So that way it is a perfect system, but it's a very simple. But only thing is we have to simply revive our traditional practice with some experts. So we also trained in that line, and we have taken a lot of clues from our traditional healers, and we have standardized this training program. So if farmers they are oriented in this herbal medicine, It saves a lot of expenses for the farmer, and ultimately it is a low cost or no input system that we have to promote. For any disease, first let them try with the herbal medicine as a preventive or even as a first aid. Then if it is a very beyond that control, no, or it is a complicated case, they can go to as a veterinarian or veterinary hospital. That is my suggestion.